I just watched 4 human beings fly farther from Earth than anyone in history, and most of the internet barely noticed. On April 1st, 2026, NASA launched Artemis II, the first crewed mission to the moon in more than 53 years. 10 days later, on April 10th, they splashed down safely in the Pacific. This wasn't just another spaceflight. This was humanity stepping back into deep space for the first time since 1972. 4 astronauts, Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, mission specialist Christina Koch, and Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen, flew aboard NASA's Orion spacecraft on a 10-day journey around the moon and back. They broke the Apollo 13 distance record, traveling 252,756 miles from Earth. They flew behind the far side of the moon, saw Earthrise with their own eyes, and tested every system that will one day carry humans to live and work on the lunar surface. This was the first time since Apollo 17 that real people left low Earth orbit and headed for the moon. Artemis II wasn't about planting a flag. It was about proving that we can safely send humans into deep space again, with a new generation of spacecraft, new technology, and a more diverse crew than ever before. Victor Glover became the first person of color on a lunar mission. Christina Koch is part of the crew that will help open the door for the first woman to walk on the moon. Jeremy Hansen is the first Canadian to fly beyond low Earth orbit. This mission is the bridge between the Apollo era and the future we've been promising for decades. Artemis II is the dress rehearsal for something much larger. It proves Orion works with a crew. It proves we can navigate deep space. And it sets the stage for Artemis III, the mission that will actually land the next humans on the moon. We are no longer just visiting space. We are preparing to stay. The future of humanity in space isn't written by governments or corporations alone. It's written by the dreamers, the engineers, the scientists, and every kid who looks up at the moon and wonders what's possible. Artemis II just proved one thing loud and clear. We are going back. And this time, we're going to stay. The stars don't belong to the machines. They belong to the people brave enough to reach for them. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you even a little bit of that "we're really doing this" feeling, smash the like button and share it with someone who needs to look up tonight. Drop in the comments, what excites you most about humanity returning to the moon? Stay curious. Stay inspired. See you in the next one.